9 out of 10 startups fail. That's not just a statistic, it's a harsh truth drilled into every founder's journey. Picture empty office chairs, abandoned whiteboards, and empty co-working spaces, silent witnesses to dreams that never launched. Why? Because most founders face the investor spotlight unprepared, guessing instead of knowing. Then comes ReadyScore.ai. This isn't just another tool, it's the shift from risky guessing to data-driven readiness. Imagine a single score, measuring 42 investor-validated metrics, a clarity beacon amid the chaos. One score that reveals what investors truly want, turning uncertainty into confidence. As this score rises, you don't just hope for success, you prepare for it. So why fade into the 90% when the difference is a score? ReadyScore.ai helps founders join the 10% who make their vision real. ReadyScore.ai, measure, improve, impress.